Fibonacci sequence technique is ideal for estimating large and complex tasks and preventing estimates from being too close together. The Fibonacci sequence estimation technique, often referred to as Fibonacci estimation or Fibonacci planning poker, is a popular method used in Agile project management, including Scrum, to estimate the relative size or complexity of user stories, tasks, or other work items. It's named after the Fibonacci sequence, a mathematical sequence where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, example 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. In this technique, these Fibonacci numbers are used as estimation values. Here's a detailed explanation of the Fibonacci sequence estimation technique. How to. 1. Preparation. Gather the Scrum team, including the product owner, Scrum Master, and development team members, in a collaborative space like a physical board or a virtual collaboration tool. 2. Define the scope. Clearly define the scope of what needs to be estimated. This could be user stories, tasks, features, or any other work item. Ensure that everyone in the estimation team has a shared understanding of the items to be estimated. 3. Explanation of Fibonacci sequence. Ensure that the team understands the Fibonacci sequence and how it works. The Fibonacci sequence starts with 0 and 1, and each subsequent number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. In estimation, Fibonacci numbers are used as abstract values to represent the relative size or complexity of work items. 4. Estimation process. Present each work item to be estimated to the team. The item's description, requirements, and any relevant information should be shared. Team members then individually and privately assign a Fibonacci number to the work item that they feel best represents its relative size or complexity. Each team member selects one value from the Fibonacci sequence. 5. Reveal and discussion. After everyone has assigned their Fibonacci estimates, the team members reveal their estimates simultaneously. If there is a significant discrepancy in the estimates, example, some team members say 5, while others say 13, initiate a discussion to understand the reasons behind the differences. This discussion helps clarify assumptions, expectations, and any misunderstandings. 6. Refinement. Optional if needed, the team can revise their estimates after the discussion. Team members may adjust their Fibonacci estimates based on the insights gained from the discussion. 7. Final consensus. The team aims to reach a consensus on the Fibonacci estimate for the work item. This is typically the value that most team members agree on after discussion and refinement. 8. Documentation. Document the final Fibonacci estimate for the work items. These estimates can be used for sprint planning, release planning, or other project management activities. Advantages of Fibonacci sequence estimation. 1. Relativity. Fibonacci numbers emphasize relative sizing, which makes it easier to prioritize and estimate items based on their complexity compared to one another. 2. Wide range. The Fibonacci sequence provides a wide range of values, accommodating a broad spectrum of complexity or size. 3. Encourages discussion. Fibonacci estimation often involves discussions that lead to shared understanding and better insights into the work items. Drawbacks of Fibonacci sequence estimation. 1. Lack of precision. Fibonacci numbers are not linear, making it challenging to perform precise mathematical calculations with them. 3. Large gaps. The gaps between Fibonacci numbers can be significant, leading to challenges in distinguishing between items with moderate differences in size or complexity. For determining the relative size or complexity of work items in Agile projects like Scrum, the Fibonacci sequence estimation technique is a frequently used and successful technique. It makes use of the Fibonacci sequence to offer abstract values that place an emphasis on relative sizes, assisting teams in properly prioritizing and planning their work. The method promotes teamwork and mutual understanding, which are essential for Agile development.